how I do my eyebrows. I typically use just a eyebrow pencil. Some of my favorites are the NYX Microbrow or the e.l.f. Precise Brow or the Morphe. I like these smaller tips because they give you a pretty precise fill. I don't know, it's not zooming in. I'm gonna fill in my ends, the tail, and I like to use this e.l.f. one just because it's a darker color. And then towards the front, I will use a lighter one, like my NYX or my Morphe one. So that's what I'm gonna do. First, I'm gonna just brush it out, up and down. So I'll start off with drawing the tail, kind of using like light strokes. For the top, I kind of do the same, but for this part, I kind of like to draw like hair-like strokes going in the direction my eyebrow hair is, so going down. And then I'll kind of draw a line across the top. Like that. And then now I fill it in. And then I'll brush it out. Let me just do this side really quick. You can tell sometimes I get kind of messy with it, which I don't mind because I end up cleaning it anyways using my NYX one. This is in the shade Taupe. I really like it because it's a lot lighter, because I notice if I do like brown or dark brown, it's really dark. And you can kind of see already, this one's pretty dark. And this one is in the shade neutral brown. Now with the lighter color, I'm gonna fill in the first half of my brow. And I'm just using light feathery strokes to fill it in. And then sometimes if you can kind of see like where your eyebrow is darker than the other part, you can just use your eyebrow pencil and blend those two. Like that. And now I'll do the other side. Okay, so now whenever I clean them up, I just use like a small little pencil brush. I've been using this e.l.f. professional concealer brush for a long time. As you can see, it's pretty bad, but it still works pretty well. It's just, you know, not the greatest quality. It's a little scratchy on the skin, but it cleans my eyebrows really nice. I think because I like how sturdy it is. But I have this other one by M.O.T.D, and it's their just browsing pencil. But either one works, just something small. I'm just gonna use this one. And then I like to put concealer on the back of my hand. And this one I'm just using the Maybelline SuperStay Full Coverage Under Eye Concealer. And this is in the color Light Medium 18. And I just like to put that on the back of my hand. So I'll just kind of outline and clean up my brow. And now I'll just kind of clean up the other eyebrow. You can see a difference, sort of. And then I just like to use my finger to blend out the concealer. always check with like a bigger mirror so I can see how my eyebrows look overall. Whenever I look at a closer mirror, they might look even, but whenever I look up, sometimes they're not. And I know your eyebrows aren't supposed to be like twins, but I try very hard to get them as close to looking similar as possible. I think they look pretty good. And then I'll just go in with my ABH clear brow gel. And then just set it